Whether you're a professional mechanic or just enjoy working on your motorcycle, BikeMaster has the right tools and parts to get the job done. Today we're talking about something that your motorcycle just can't live without: the all-new brake rotors for street and off-road motorcycles from BikeMaster. BikeMaster is known for quality and competitively priced aftermarket parts and accessories. We're also pleased to announce the addition of over 75 new part numbers to the line of brake rotors for street and off-road applications, giving you the opportunity to get OEM style parts at competitive prices. You'll notice that we've added contour rotors to our product line as well. The BikeMaster brake rotors for street and off-road use are manufactured using the latest technology in materials, processing, and finishes. They are laser cut for accuracy to 0.010 of an inch for a precision fit. These rotors have been designed to provide increased braking and longevity, and all the rotors have been specially ground to guarantee perfect concentricity and parallelism, which in turn prevents warping. You'll also notice that the contour rotors have an increased edge surface for cooling efficiency. Making sure your motorcycle brakes are working properly is key to keeping you safe on the road. At BikeMaster, we take our braking seriously. Our selection of motorcycle brake rotors is made from premium materials and a perfect addition to any bike. These brake rotors will provide you with a new, fresh look while providing superior performance and stability under all types of riding conditions. Since 1981, BikeMaster replacement parts provide OEM quality and performance. Don't settle for average performance when it comes to your brake system. Keep everything working at optimum levels with the premium motorcycle brake products from BikeMaster. Pick up these rotors at your local Tuckeraki or Biker's Choice dealer starting at $54. If you need more information on this BikeMaster product or other products like this one, please give us a call at 877-848-1320 or visit us at BikeMaster.com. Build your dream and ride with confidence with a little help from BikeMaster.